Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get code from WordPress. We'll cover several essential methods for accessing your site's core files, including themes and plugins. You'll learn how to safely retrieve and manage this code, ensuring your website remains stable and functional. This guide will help you understand where your site's building blocks reside and how to interact with them effectively, giving you greater control over your WordPress installation. There are three primary ways to access your WordPress code. First, the built-in theme editor in your dashboard allows for quick edits to theme files, especially for CSS. Second, an FTP client, such as FileZilla, provides a robust way to connect to your server and download or upload entire directories, offering full control over your theme and plugin files. Third, your hosting provider's control panel often includes a file manager for direct server access. WordPress code comes in a few key types. Theme files dictate your site's appearance, handling everything from colors to layouts using CSS, PHP, and JavaScript. Plugin files add specific functionalities, like contact forms or image galleries, without altering core WordPress code. Finally, the database, often managed through PHPMyAdmin, stores all your site's content, user information, and settings, making it a critical component of your WordPress installation. When working with WordPress code, always prioritize safety. First, create a complete backup of your site before any changes. Second, use a child theme for all custom modifications. This ensures your changes are not lost during theme updates. Third, test all code adjustments on a staging environment before pushing them to your live site. Finally, consider implementing version control to track and manage your code changes efficiently, providing an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.